Hey guys, what's up? It's Maris, and today I want to show you apartment tour. So this is an apartment complex, not an office tower, not a villa, and it's in a big city. And a lot of times when foreigners come, they want to live in a big city, either Seoul, Daegu, or Busan. And so I wanted to show you an example of what a apartment looks like. So I wanted to show you just the layout. Now this apartment came completely empty, so every single furniture, every single external storage, anything like air conditioning, that all came from the owner. This came with absolutely nothing. It came with absolutely nothing. Now the down payment was 10 million won. So this is about 10 million won, which is about 10,000 USD. And then monthly for just rent alone is $800, so 800,000 won. And then for bills and maintenance, so bills like water, electric, gas, those are $200. So monthly she has to pay $1,000, and then 10,000 was the down payment that you get back at the end if your apartment isn't damaged. So right when you come in, it's of course a Korean apartment, so you have your shoe area, your shoe closet. It's really pretty, and it definitely separates from the house with that sliding entrance. The sliding entrance can go either way, to the left or to the right, and right when you get into it, you hit the corner. Now I'm going to talk about the main areas first. The main bathroom. This is the bathroom that has probably the most storage, the bath, sink, toilet, like everyone else. And it's really a nice addition. It's usually for guests though, not the main for the house. Not the main bathroom for the house. Right when you get out of the bathroom, if you keep going straight, you'll hit the living room. The living room is the main attraction. This is more for guests to enjoy themselves, the owner to enjoy himself, and the cat, which I'll put all of the links down below for the furniture and the carpet you see. The owner really wanted a nice, simple, but aesthetic looking house, and with a beautiful view. High ceilings, big windows was the goal when looking for this apartment. Right next to the living room, you have a dining room. The dining room table was also bought online, which I'll leave the link down below. But with this, it was a perfect space between the living room and the kitchen. And with the addition, you have pretty shelving that you can kind of peek into the shoe closet, but not completely. Now for the kitchen. Now kitchen is the only section that has like storage, a lot of storage, other than of course the fridge. That was the main source of storage that came in this house without her doing anything else to it. Next to the kitchen is the laundry room. It's a perfect space to fit the laundry and the recycling area, because in Korea you need to recycle absolutely everything. And so it's really nice to get that out the way and also get your laundry done on the side. Now, if you come out of the kitchen, out of the laundry room, this is where we get to the bedroom. So the first bedroom is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is right when you come in, so the guests don't have to really go far, but they also can feel comfortable no matter where they are. The guest bedroom is really comfortable. It has everything that you would need in it, and everything was bought online as well. It doesn't have as much details as the other room, but of course this is a guest room, and so she really has it where the guests can make it kind of their own while they're here, and then put everything back when they're gone. And then as you go on, next room is the cat bedroom / storage. So this is for seasonal storage, and I think it was a great idea to have the closets in the front so you don't see the cats. The cats have their own little privacy. They have their own sunlight as well, and they have a perfect view. This is a great space where they can run around, sleep, look out the beautiful window, and get done with whatever they need to do. After you are out of the cat's bedroom, you are going into the main bedroom. Now this is my favorite bedroom, not because of any different size. It has everything you would have in your bedroom. It definitely it has plenty of storage, because not only are there storage closets or a shelving, there also is storage under the bed. The actual bed frame is storage as well. So if you pick up the mattress, there's a whole bunch of just open space, so everything can look clean and put together. But my favorite part of this main bedroom is it has a second bathroom. I love the second bathroom. The second bathroom is more of a Korean style. And when I say that, it's a wet bath. And so the wet bath is connected to the sink and everything can get wet. Unlike the guest bathroom, the main bathroom, that has like a bathtub. Most of the time, like when you're looking for an apartment, a bathtub is not something that would actually like come. It's gonna be very hard to find. And so this bathroom is more realistic when it comes to a Korean style bathroom. If you've been saving up for something like this, I do wanna show you that there is a chance. Like, this is not a far reality. This person didn't live in Korea for too long, and they were able to, well, with a lot of hard work and a lot of savings, they were able to do this. So it is possible. But coming in, I do want you to know what can be a goal, but also have a little bit of a reality of how much it costs and how much effort it took to put in it. So I will have more videos on how to find an apartment, like apartment hunting, and just how to find an apartment in Korea in general. This was just the tour, and I didn't want to go too much in detail and waste too much time, but I did want to let you guys see what an inside of an apartment looks like, and I'm going to leave as many links down below by the room. So I'll put the title, bathroom, and then anything that I can add the link to, I'll add it. These websites are a Korean based website, but there's English versions, and if it's not an English version, just use your Chrome extension. You can do like Google Translation and it will translate the page for you. It's not that hard, and you can get an idea though of how much did the couch cost, the rug cost, the storage, the air conditioning. Everything was bought, I think, online in this apartment. So I will be able to share lots of links for each room I do. So that is pretty much it. If you want tips, if you want more information on just apartment hunting or Korea, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'm glad I was able to do this quickly, and I hope you enjoyed it. Learn how to live, lose your weight, and love yourself. Bye bye.